In front of us, we have question number 7 of exercise 3.2. Draw the graph of the equations x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0 and 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0 and determine the coordinates of the vertices of the triangle formed by these lines and the x-axis and shade the triangular region. When we will draw the graph of these two equations, we will get a triangle with the x-axis. Okay, to start, we have given equation. First equation is x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. The second equation is 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. This is the second equation, and we will find the solution for both the equations so that we can draw the graph on the base of that values. Okay, here x and y. Suppose x is minus 1. If x is minus 1, y value is, I am directly writing what will be the y. X is minus 1, and minus 1 is minus 1 plus 1. So y will be 0. If x is 1, y is 2 for equation 1. If x is 1, y is 2. If x is 3, y is 4. Okay, this is for the first equation. Now for the second equation, 3x plus 2y minus 12 is equal to 0. X and y value. If x is equal to 0, 2y is equal to 12, y is equal to 6. If x is equal to 2, 3 into 2 plus 2y minus 12 equals to 0. That is 2y, 3 to the 6 minus 6 equals to 0. Y is equal to 6 divided by 2, that is y is equal to 3. If x is 2, y is 3. Next, if x is equal to 4, so 3 into 4 plus 2y minus 12. Plus 12 minus 12, 0. This is y is equal to 0. It means if x is equal to 4, y is 0 for the second equation. Now we will plot the graph for this. Now this is the graph I am drawing. These are the two equations. X is minus 1, y is 0. X is minus 1, y is 0. X is 1, y is 2. X is 3, y is 4. Join the lines, so join the points. Now for the second equation, x is 0, y is 6. X is 2, y is 3. X is 4, y is 0. Join the points. Now name the line 3x plus 2y. Now shade the graph as we have given in question. The triangle formed by these two lines with the x-axis. This is the triangle formed by these two lines. Okay. Now name the coordinates. This is x. This coordinate is -1, 0. This is 1, 2. This point is 3 and 4. This point is 0, 6, and this is the 2 and 3, and this is 4 and 0. This is for equation x minus y plus 1 is equal to 0, and this line is for 3x plus 2y minus 12. So what are the vertices? This is a triangle A, B, C. So the vertices of triangle are A. A point is 2 and 3. So this is the intersection point of both the lines. Now B vertices are, B coordinates are -1, 0, and C 4, 0. So these are the coordinates of the vertices of a triangle. Okay. Thank you.
If you find my video useful, for more videos, subscribe my YouTube channel. Go to my website www.hometuitionlive.com. Thank you. Keep learning. Stay home. Stay safe.